During the year of 2025, the Haitian people are living through one of the most difficult periods in their history. Violence, high cost of living, hunger, electricity problems, lack of jobs, and insecurity in all its forms. Haiti is suffering. Many of us living abroad are also facing hardships because we have become people without real protection in several countries, without a strong government to speak and stand for us on the international stage. This has made our situation even more complicated, and our minds are not at peace. In my point of view, these problems will not be solved overnight if each Haitian does not become aware that Haiti belongs to us, and that is up to us to unite, to chart our own path, and to open the door to positive change. Among our fundamental rights, education is one of the most important. And within education, we find etiquette and protocol, which help us build principles, respect, discipline, and proper behavior in all our actions. This is one of the reasons why I choose to teach etiquette in Creole, to help more children, youth, and adults cultivate values that develop confidence, respect, and strong principles in their lives. At the end of this year, I want to say thank you. Thank you again to everyone who has remained faithful to me, who has learned through my videos, or who has followed my work from afar. My gratitude goes out to you all, my followers, everybody. And as we close the year, I want to tell you that the greatest etiquette to practice is the etiquette of reflection, because it can help you make better decisions in your life, help you see the path of hope, and encourage you to forgive. I wish you Happy New Year 2026, and I love you all.